Hey everyone, got another unboxing video here from Theme Park DNA. I'm really excited about today's video. I've not been able to get a Saberforge mystery box yet, and they're in stock, and I was lucky enough to get 3 of them. So I've got a mystery box empty, mystery box Boneyard, and a mystery box sound. So the empty could be any of their empties and may include a custom order that was canceled, that was Cerakoted. It could be anything. The Boneyard could be any hilt with any damaged electronics. The mystery box sound saber is guaranteed to have a veteran or champion saber with a chance to get a hero or a crystal. I am really excited. I don't really know what to expect, and so we are going to check it. We're going to discover together, I guess. All right, got charging cable and a plug. I've got 2 blade plugs. It's going to be the reactor blade plug, but they're short. I don't know what that means, but we'll find out. And I'm excited to see what this is. This is the lightest of the 3, so I think this is going to be the empty. All right, this is going to be the empty. This is going to be a Reborn, which is a Darth Revan themed lightsaber, and it has no black Cerakote on it or black anodizing on it at all. It's just all silver. This is actually a really good size for the saber though. I'm really excited to get this as an empty considering the price, but it really doesn't have the same look to it in all silver, does it? Still, I'm happy to get it at this price point. Well, I'm excited for number 1. All right, next up, this is the, again, I'm just going by sheer weight. There's not a label on this one, but we're gonna see what this is. Oh, wow. Very Graphics influenced. Comfortable. I like the weathered finish. Alright, this is going to be a Prodigy. This is going to be one of their apprentice sabers. Huh. Oh, look at this. It lights up. There's supposed to be something wrong with it. Wow. Well, it's guaranteed to be any hilt. And supposedly this can't be the sound saber because the sound saber is guaranteed to have sound. And this model doesn't even have a speaker. So I've got a switch here. And this is where the recharge port would be, but it's an empty port. I looked at pictures on the website, and it has the same kind of empty place here. So I started looking. I was going to take the cap off and look inside, and there's wiring in there. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's actually a recharge port in here. So obviously this model is a stunt, and it has a recharge port here in the bottom, and I can't find anything wrong with the electronics. I don't know which red this is, but I'm gonna guess it's going to be red or the medium red. I don't think it's a deep red, and I don't think it's blood orange, but I will only be able to tell when I get another to compare it to. Nonetheless, functioning stunt saber, I'm happy about that. Alright, so I'm guaranteed to get a sound saber. Got some notes on here, but it's torn off, so I can't read what it says. Alright, we'll figure it out. Alright. This is going to be an Exalted Mark 1. I think it's guaranteed to be a sound saber.
Saber core, Viridian.
Right, with a tape. Did say Viridian and purple. Put a blade in here and see what that looks like. It does sound like Viridian. What do you think about the Saberforge mystery box haul? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. We're got another giveaway starting at 750 subscribers. If you like this content, let us know with a thumbs up. That's going to do it for today. Thanks for watching.